it's nice to have a Gravedigger the Legend truck come into the Spin Master series. Of course, we got a blue figure, and then also we get a questions and problems card, and then here is also then a poster of Dragonoid here in Mix 5. So, nice picture of Dragonoid, and then on the back, a collection of some of the trucks and stuff. I think there's another mix that they don't show on this one, but I could be wrong, so don't take my word for it, please. So, on to the truck. Gravedigger the Legend. Wow, huh? It's a different color. I wonder which one is correct. I mean, this one really looks good, though. I like how it has the black chassis with the silver wheels. No, those are rims, sorry. And then also, alright, on to now Gravedigger the Legend. I really like how this is looking. We got the Gravedigger the Legend. Alright, on to Gravedigger the Legend. The truck itself, very nicely detailed. I like the hubs and wheels being silver, and then also up close how we have, it's like a light blue and also a silver paint job, which is cool. So bring it up close, there we go. Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. Yeah, that's right, I had to just make sure it was correct. So, flip it around here to the front. Very nice. The driver is plastic in there, so I wish that they would have did metal onto the other side, looking very good. On the back of the truck, there we go. Doesn't have monsterjam.com on it, and it also doesn't have back-to-back Monster Jam World Finals champion. So this is going back even further than that, and they left that off, so it's very cool to have Gravedigger the Legend to come here in the Spin Master Monster Jam series. You can also pick up Gravedigger the Legend in the Double Down Showdown 2-pack with Son of a Digger. And here's a comparison with the Hot Wheels version of Gravedigger the Legend. So you can see the difference in the colors. There's where I mean. On the back of the thing, it says back-to-back Monster Jam World Finals Racing Champion on the Hot Wheels edition. Oops. There's where I was mentioning the back-to-back Monster Jam World Finals Racing Champion on the Hot Wheels version, and then on Spin Master's version doesn't have it. Of course, you can see how much wider the truck is of the Spin Master's version. and onto the front real quickly. So there we have it. Very cool. Gravedigger the Legend. Thank you for tuning in.